Hi friends, today we're going to draw 3 characters with this shape. Okay, to get started you're going to want to draw this bean shape that you see on your screen 3 times. If you need to pause the video to take a moment, that's totally fine. The point of this exercise or challenge is to take 3 copies of the same shape and turn it into 3 different characters. So for this first character, I think that I'll do a little bird because it almost looks like a little bird's body to me. We got some big cute eyes, a little beak. We'll do some cute little feathers up top on the head. You know, a bird needs his little wing. Tail feathers. And we'll get him some little bird feet. And then how about some eyebrows for personality. And we've got a little bird. Now for this next character, why don't we do a human? We're going to do a human guy. He's got a little pointy nose. He's got a big smile. Some pointy looking teeth. Little chin. Give him some ears. Some hair. Nice full head of hair. Do another ear to even it out. And again, some eyebrows for personality. We'll just fill in this mouth here too. Okay, and I think for this last one we'll do a little 3-eyed alien with a big forehead. Trying to switch it up here. Got him those 3 eyes. Give him some cute little teeth. Eyebrows, personality. Give him some spots on his big alien forehead. Maybe a cool little antenna. Some cool ears. We'll make him a little chill alien. Those relaxed eyelids. And give him a cute little mouth. And that's it. In just a couple minutes we've taken one shape and turned it into 3 different characters. And you can do this over and over again. You could draw the whole page with, 10 bean shapes and you can come up with something new every single time. It's totally easy. It's one of my favorite processes creatively. When I'm creating my books, this is what I do all day and it's super fun. And I encourage you to try this, draw all sorts of different shapes, turn them into characters, make an alien, a robot, a dinosaur, animal, funny looking cartoon people. Wherever your imagination takes you, just go with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this drawing challenge as much as I did. If you'd like to learn how to draw more silly characters like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and be sure to check out my drawing books on firstartbooks.com.